Hey folks, so over the years I've tried many different wire crimpers. These are the Harbor Freights, or Doyles we'll call them. This is what they are, wire crimpers. These are my Lyman's, they still crimp wires. And I have stayed with these two kinds. And there are several other different kinds. And the cheap ones that they're in every kit, electrical kit for automotive in the world. There's a few other ones. The ones back here have always been a pain in the ass, and that's a nice way of putting it, to crimp the wire. The ones up here have been much easier, and that's why I still prefer these. These I use, basically they stay in my electrical and my plumbing boxes. Just to have them handy. But anyway, this company Mulwark, there you go, sent me these, and I'll post the link for them down below. These are actually a ratcheting, and they feel nice in the hand. And one of the problems, even with these, let's grab a wire connector here. I really do not want to use a really good wire connector, but this is a kit I got here. So, you put it in like that. You dig a wire around, whatever, or maybe you got switch hands, and a lot of times you end up losing it. And you'll be surprised at how many times you actually will lose that piece. Now with this set, and it's color coded, so you know. You just put it in there and it latches. It's there. You can actually adjust the ratchet on it right here. So that's something to look at. You can make a little adjustment on the ratchet if you want to adjust the tension on this. And as you see, it's just loose there, but it's holding it. If you need to open it back up, you just hit it and open it back up. When you squeeze down, you grip it, it releases automatically. And so that was one side. So we're going to shoot up to the bigger sides. It literally holds it nice. We'll get some itty bitties here, see how they do. And it's holding it. I mean, it's just holding in place. And you can fine tune, which is the cool part, that you can fine tune how tight you want to grab them. Let's get some other brass ones here. These are for grounds. It's in there. Squeeze it down. It's locked in with the wire. And it does a nice little, get my paws out of the way. Nice little crimp on it. So that's pretty cool. I have used these a few times since I got them. I don't really have anything to say about them besides they are a little bulky. But due to the fact that they are a ratchet, I guess they would have to be. The handles, wide open, you need a decent sized mitt. Once you get it locked to the first click, it's not so bad. But wide open, I mean, it opens pretty damn far, which I don't know why you need it. Do I have any? Yes. And I know these are not called for this, so, and they don't fit in there. I mean, these are huge. I have other kits with smaller ones in it, somewhere else. But they are a good little handy kit. I like how they, they do get right in there. And these, you've got the heat shrink on it. So let's see. Yep, fits in between the heat shrinks pretty nice. Right there on that piece, the way it's supposed to. It's taking up that whole little section of metal there. So it'll give you a good crimp. And a good crimp is really important. Some of them, and I've seen in the past where this piece here does not take up that whole section right there. So you only get a partial crimp. And that gives you, a shortage. But yeah, like I said, I'll post a link for them down below. They're not that much. They were under 20 bucks. And a good set of wire crimpers are worth 20 bucks. That way you don't have a short afterwards. They are a handy little set. And but check them out. It says Mulwark, something like that. They sent them to me. I will definitely be doing an updated video on this in 4 months, 6 months, whatever. You see how they hold up. From what I've done so far, the ratchet has not slipped at all, which is always a plus. It has, good teeth system in there, so it grabs it pretty good. All right, later, folks.